Y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making some seared scallops. Once you clean your scallops, place them on a board, on foil, or a paper plate or a regular plate, and lay them out. Then we're going to pat dry them with a paper towel. That helps you get that perfect sear. Now we're going to season them. We're going to use a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of black pepper, and also a pinch of salt. In a preheated skillet, go ahead and add your olive oil. Once it's heated, add your scallops. We're going to cook the scallops about 4 minutes or until you get that perfect brown sear. The key to perfect sear is to pat dry your scallops and also use a preheated skillet with preheated oil. After 4 minutes or so, go ahead and flip your scallops. It's okay if some might need some extra time to sear to get that perfect sear. Because how my pan is heated, sometimes I have to move my scallops around. Now after 1 minute or so, go ahead and check your scallops, and you should have that perfect brown sear. If it sticks a little bit, it's okay. They don't have to be perfect. They're still going to be good and juicy. Once they're cooked to my perfection, I cut my heat down to a low, and I go ahead and add my cilantro butter. You can use parsley or cilantro, but I love cilantro. It gives it that fresh taste. I just used a couple tablespoons of butter, unsalted, and some cilantro. Then I put a squeeze of lemon.